success. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Jay, aka Prince, coming to another video. And I got some heat for y'all go try boys and girls in the kingdom. Now today we're about to go to a car meet. It's supposed to be super lit. You feel what I'm saying? I'll go with my brother and his 328. You feel what I'm saying? This car sounds crazy, so I'm gonna try to get a song for you guys. And yeah, we about to have a lot of fun. You know, like I said, I'm trying to use every excuse to get out the house and vlog and do something. You feel what I'm saying? Because this being in the house and quarantine stuff ain't it, dog. So you know what I'm saying? I know I got the mask on, so y'all can't really see my face, but you know what I'm saying? It's supposed to be super lit. You know what I'm saying? We on the road with 800. As of this video, we're at like 795, I believe. Let's get to 800 today. As soon as this video drops, and let's go crazy. You feel what I'm saying? Thank you guys for 12K on TikTok. You guys are going crazy on all my social medias. You know what I'm saying? I just need more love on YouTube. That's it. So if you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications if you're new, and let's get it. Yeah, I'm ready, boy.
This my type of living. Yeah.
From the fucking soul. Look, a lot of Christian, a lot of Christian, a lot of boo, a lot of boo.
I love Chris Rich.
It's just change forever. So run up the biz with your man till whenever. Feel niggas chill like the weather, shaking and cool like the north. Call up be like keep a Pullman sweater.
Like I said, I hope we can get some startups rounds, you know what I'm saying? But it is pretty cold out here today. It's like, it feels like 40 degrees out here, and it's May. I could have sworn it was snow yesterday, but y'all see they got the police package Hellcat over there, bro. So crazy. But we gonna see what we can get into. Hopefully we get to something nice, you feel what I'm saying? If you need to try, subscribe to the channel.
Yeah, chopstick came with a large low man. Extra clip in it, nigga, I ain't got no name. Ballman, package, fresh romaine. And I stay with the cash like an exo chain. 5500, nigga, that's your rain. When I go to the club, nigga, storm hurricane. Nigga pull up, thinking G.I. Joe, man. 762, turning G.I. Jane. That brick on blue, baby, knee-high, man. And when I look down, you know I can't see mine. Man, she asked for some rats, gave her 3 times 10. Put her right in the condo, put her in the bin. I did all of that, no one see her again. And honestly, on the better things, that's a friend. These niggas groupies, they peons, man. King of my city like Leon, man. Head of these niggas by Leon, man. She let me touch for the free eye, man. So you know that's a must like Elon, man. They was saying I was spending, you was saying trying to green like a P5, man. I was holding down my team like my name was taken. Make sure my brother good Elon, man. Cartier's got diamonds all in the middle like a nigga pulled up with 3 eyes, man. Just know them shit stay on GI, man. Everybody got rollies, that's 2 time frame. I said my cycle trying to be my man.
True word, I don't even know if y'all can hear me, but if I say we're super deep, like I'm counting like 30, 40 Hellcats here. I mean Chargers, Hellcats, or whatever. You know what I'm saying? We about to go crazy. We supposed to go to Queens. You know they gonna bug out. If you guys watch the last video, you guys see they have a lot of freaking fun. So if you did your chance, subscribe to your channel, because you about to get into a lot of fun. You know what I'm saying? Let's do it. A demon. They pushed our date back to June. And everybody came outside the day they pushed it. Today, they pushed it back. Our governor pushed it back to June. And everybody's still outside. This is why they keep pushing it back. But for this cause, I don't care. You know what I'm saying? I got my mask. You know what I'm saying? I have my mask on all day. Dog, what you got to say, bud? We outside. We outside. Oh my God. They got everything. At least we know. You know what I'm saying? You hiding in the cut right now, Armani. You don't look out of place. You don't look out of place. This is the first time I actually seen a Tesla. Like, in person. This shit is clean. I missed it! Yo, look at this. Oh my god!
He's saying they don't fuck with the GTR, they like their Mopars. Alright, y'all got it.
Step out the car. That's what the demon do. I think what the demon is gone. This to see when they all run out the containers. Mix up the cars. That nigga with the GTR is moving dusty. Alright, so we just got to another location, you know what I'm saying? Beer lights, you know what I'm saying? So at this point we just wait for somebody to go crazy, you know what I'm saying? And as soon as they do, I'ma just record it. And you know what I'm saying? So let's see what we can get into. That's a lady, bud. That's a girl in there, bud. If she go crazy, that's a lady, bud. That's a girl.
Yo, Nick, why you walking like NBA YoungBoy, bro?
That's a lady, right?
Yeah, I know it's a girl. She's chilling.
She's moving dusty.
She's nice.
She moving dusty.
Alright, somebody else. We need somebody else.
Hey.
This is goals right here. She just did this, and now he jumping back in it and about to go crazy. Watch it. Go crazy.
Show them.
The U-Haul? The U-Haul? He about to throw it? He's throwing the U-Haul! The U-Haul? The U-Haul?
No, we talking to him.
Okay, bye.
I'm through your head, you can't catch me up. We stay with cheese, we got max, what up? This on my eyes, you can't take it up. That bitch, you figure she back it up. Make a few plays and then add it up. Shit, that's just how we do. I'm in the building with swoop. We to the top of the cool. I hit your hoe in the pool. She said, damn, your honey's really blue. Shawty, tell me she find it.